Alright, so the video got cut short, even though it's 18 plus minutes long, but it stopped on its own because my phone ran out of storage space. Maybe I'll figure out how to combine the videos so you might not notice that that happened, but yeah, so we were at the last card, 3 of Wands reversed, and this was what came up, and so I kind of just looked at this. This pretty much kind of tells a story. It says on the it's fine. It just describes this card. So to me, right side up, this says that these wands kind of represent what is it? How do I say? It's like very grounded. Alright, I'll just start with the view. Basically, it's kind of like you're looking out and you see the world, you see the future of what might be heading your way, and that includes all sorts of challenges. You know, just like the ocean, you can see when it's rough, you can see when it's calm, you might even be able to see when a good time to move forward would be. But since it's reversed, perhaps you're not that committed to that as it would seem. These grounded commitments might not be so grounded at all. Or perhaps it could be that you're not looking at what's ahead and you're facing, this way. And that you don't see what's ahead of you. But to me, it seems like, given by your whole reading, to me it seems like you definitely can see what's ahead. You can see challenges and things like that. It seems like the problem, or maybe the challenge, might be the whole commitment aspect, or really sticking firm with what you're doing. But from everything else, and from the fact that I don't know you at all, it's very hard for me to get a vibe of that. I just kind of get a sensation that this card is very meaningful to you, but that I'm not explaining it that well. Something you don't know about me, one of my many gifts, is that I'm very, very good at guessing wrong. Which is not the best thing to hear for a tarot reader, but it surprisingly works very well in my favor. It's like a learning tool. It's like I can very much accept if I do a misreading, pretty much, like the sun. There's probably something about that, actually, that if I were to just look into the meaning a bit more. Yeah. It's kind of online, the meanings for it is pretty much, yeah, and it doesn't help that I'm a huge optimist, so I try to put the most positive vibe into these cards, but yeah, it could be that you're going in a bit of a flunk right now and you're not feeling too good. It's pretty much what the meanings kind of say, or you're feeling like even with all your creativity, you're not getting much success. Yeah, I might just do a whole other video where I shorten this all. No, I'll stick with what I made. Yeah, sorry, I'm very new to all this, but I sincerely hope this reading was helpful for you. To sum it up, you're very creative. You're not feeling the success of that creativity, possibly. And with all of that, you're not sure if you should commit to what you're doing or not, because maybe perhaps you can't see the whole road ahead of you, or maybe you can, and what you personally see is not success. But that's impossible, because you're looking out into the world, into the ocean. There's definitely success out there. There's a few boats here and there. So yeah, if you're not seeing success in your future, I don't know anything that's going on, but I disagree. I believe in everyone's potential for success, and the fact that you got the Magician means that you're very creative. Perhaps it really is a perspective thing. Perhaps you're just not seeing the positive energy that is around you. And, perhaps this doesn't have to be reversed. Yeah. I'd like to say it's not. I'd like to say there's positive energy headed your way right now, because I'm sending you positive energy, and I hope the best for you. I don't know you at all. I don't know how these cards played out, or how my readings went, or my personal interpretations of them. As you saw with the Hierophant card, on my deck it's called the Pope, but on this website it comes out as the Hierophant. But like, as you saw, like, I don't have a solid sense of each of the cards, depending on who I'm reading for, and like if it's reversed or not. I kind of describe it differently, but I more or less describe them all how I see the pictures and how it strikes a chord with me. So yeah, these were my tarot reading videos, and I apologize for it being like 25 minutes long. And whenever you watch it, I hope you have a good day. Bye.